Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Chris. Today we have so many exciting things to discuss. OMFG Cosmetics sent me a box of a bunch of products that they either recently released or are going to release. We are going to be talking about the handheld UV light disinfection lamp, 2 new mini eyeshadow palettes, the mini bronzer palette, and the immortal eyeliner pen. The first thing I want to talk about is the 5K giveaway. I can't believe we actually made it to 5K, you guys. Like, the ChrisMo family is growing. Of course, that wouldn't have happened if it wasn't for you guys sharing the video, liking the video, commenting, all that stuff that literally helps us grow. So thank you so much. The way I say thank you is just doing a giveaway. So without further ado, here are all of the items that are going to be in the 5K giveaway. Okay, so as you guys can see, there is a lot in this giveaway. I think this might be the biggest giveaway I've done. I don't really know, but I know it's the priciest one, that's for sure. So since this is a huge giveaway, this one's going to be cross-posted, which means I am going to be posting this on my Instagram, as well as my YouTube, my Twitter, and my TikTok. If you have TikTok, feel free to follow me there. I'm brand new to it. I was gonna get it, but I got suckered into it, and there's no turning back now. So the rules for this giveaway are super simple. The first thing is you must be subscribed to this channel. The second thing is to like this video. Third thing is to comment down below where you are from and a way that I can reach you in case you win. We have a lot of new subscribers, so I want to get to know where you guys are from again. Yes, this is open internationally. Little details of the giveaway will be in my description box. Bonus entries. Now, these are always optional. If you do not want to partake in bonus entries, you do not have to. The bonus entries for this one, since it's a huge one, is going to be massive. So as usual, for the next 5 videos, you have a chance to get 5 extra entries. All you got to do is watch the video and look out for a bonus entry, which will tell you what to do, which will usually say comment something down below. And also an additional 4 entries for following me on other social media platforms. I have Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok. So in total, you can have up to 10 entries for this giveaway. Whew, I hope that wasn't confusing. Let me know if you have any questions about that down below. I feel like I was pretty clear, but sometimes things in my head sound clearer than what they are sounding like. I wish you all the best of luck. Thank you again for being so supportive. But now we have to dive into the OMFG Cosmetics new products, you guys. I'm really freaking excited about this. We have a handheld UV disinfection lamp. You guys, this is what it looks like. This is the box. It kind of reminds me of like an Apple box. These are the colors that it comes in. You have black, yellow, white, and pink. So the owner was so kind to send me a yellow one. Look how cute this is. So vibrant. By the way, this is like incredibly lightweight. It does come with a little wristlet that you can hold it with. Back of it looks like this. This is where the light comes out of. This is where you charge it from because it is rechargeable, not battery operated. And this is the power button right here. I'm not going to press on right now because it'll go directly to my eyes. Do not hold this over the skin. Do not put this in your eye. Do not play with this product. This is not a toy. This is to kill bacteria and viruses, okay? Please do not do that. Do not hold it over skin. Do not put it in your eye. Now, this bad boy costs $40 on their website. They do offer payment plans as well. I do have a discount code, you guys. I'm so excited. My discount code is ChrisMo, ChrisMo, and that'll save you some coin at checkout. So let's get into details about this product. So the reason why I kind of flipped out with this particular product is, yes, because of COVID and everything happening now. But to be honest, even if COVID wasn't happening now, especially as an MUA, if you are an MUA, you definitely need to be so concerned with disinfecting your products. But now that everybody's like super aware of germs, it's even more important to have one of these, especially in your makeup kit. Who wants germs in their makeup? I certainly don't want germs in my makeup, and I hope you don't want germs either. This is a very simple, easy solution to that. Bye germs, bye bacteria, bye viruses. To use this disinfectant lamp, all you have to do is press the button and wait for that blue light indicator to turn on. Once it's on, all you do then is just hold it above the product for 10 seconds. This little device holds a 2.5-hour charge and kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. Now, although this does say 10 seconds, I would highly recommend holding it for at least 20 seconds. And the reason why I say that personally is because it's the same concept as washing your hands. The longer you wash your hands, the more germs you kill. As a teacher, I have my kids wash their hands for about 20 seconds. So that is the same concept with this. Now, of course, this may sound like a whole bunch of blah, 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 jibber jabber to some of you guys. Some of you might actually need proof. So the owner was actually so kind to show me a receipt that she actually sent this out to get tested at the lab. And of course, it had excellent results, and in the result it was a 99.9% killing rate for bacteria, germs, etc. And during this test, the treatment time was only 10 seconds. I'm obsessed with this product. I really do feel like this is such an important thing to have in your makeup kit, especially during these difficult times. So let me know your thoughts and comments down below on this alone. I really do love this. It's coming with me everywhere I go. Once again, that was the handheld UV disinfection lamp. Next, we have their new bronzer palettes. I have shade number 4. This is how the packaging looks like. It is on the smaller side, so it's very, very travel friendly. And then when you open it up, it looks like this. There is no mirror whatsoever, which is nice. I'm gonna be 100% real with you guys. When I first saw this, I was just like, I don't think this is going to show up on my skin. I thought it was going to be too light, but I was just like, you know what, I'm going to give it a try anyway. So when I did try it, I was really happy to see that it actually did show up. I feel like it gives me a very nice soft bronze. I don't feel like I look too red. You guys know how much I love my Morphe Glamour bronzer, but I really do like this one. It's just so small and it's so perfect for travel. This does contain mica, doesn't contain talc. It weighs 5 grams. It is made in the PRC, which is aka China, and it has a 12-month shelf life. Now, this is currently not available on their website just yet. This will be available tomorrow on their website, September 1st. So keep your eyes peeled for this. This, by the way, is going to retail for $12. Okay, so we have some mini palettes. I love this, you guys. I love to have big palettes too, but I really do enjoy smaller size palettes, and again with the travel friendly, you know, thought in mind. So she sent me eyeshadow palette number 4 and eyeshadow palette number 5. These, just like the bronzer, will be available also on the 1st. Each of these will be retailing for $14. Each of these contain 4.5 grams worth of product. It has a 12-month shelf life. It is made in the PRC. It contains mica, but it is talc free. It also has vitamin E in it, which I absolutely love. This is what they look like. Up top we have eyeshadow palette number 5, and on the bottom is eyeshadow palette number 4. I personally love this one right here. It definitely gives me more of like a full-time vibe. I am wearing almost every single shadow in both of these palettes on my eyes right now. You'll see that in the eye demo as well. So we have shimmers and we have mattes in these. I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch these right now for you. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, I don't like doing peeky swatches. I forgot about that. Sorry, guys. Here's 1, 2, 3, and then, oh god, sorry for the pinky swatch. 4. Oh, that poor pinky swatch. That is totally my fault. I don't do pinky swatches for that same reason. All right, let me go back into that green. I feel like I didn't give it a fair try. I'm going to take this one as well, and then I'm going to go into this one right here. This is eyeshadow palette number 5. So back in with the green. Poor thing. I did not give that thing any type of justice whatsoever. Okay, here's these two as well. There we go. So pretty, you guys. All right, we're gonna go with these 3 next. By the way, they do feel soft, which is so great. Go. There we go. And I'm gonna go back in with this brown and then take this like kind of champagne shimmer, just to go over the brown one more time, and these shimmer. And there you go. These are the 2 palettes swatched all together. They do swatch very well. They do blend very easily. And I think the one thing you guys want to know is they are pigmented. So let's just dive into this eye demo. Today I'm using the Morphe 2 brush. I'm using the GLF Cosmetics flat end of the double-ended brush that they have. I'm using the Morphe N158 brush. I just use this for a waterline application. And then I'm using the JH42 brush from Morphe as well. After laying down the Kylie Cosmetics concealer, I use my Morphe 2 brush to pick up the brown matte shadow in the number 5 palette. I brought that from the inner corner of my eye, going on top of my crease and slightly above it, and going it all the way out in a very dramatic way. Using the same brush, I dip into the number 4 palette for this beautiful kind of olive green. It is ever so pigmented, so I took a little bit at a time and I put it right on top of that brown, just blending it as I apply it, starting from the inner corner of my eye and then going out and meeting it at the tip of the wing. Then I take that bone kind of beige shadow to just blend on top of that green, just so that I can make that harsh line disappear. Next, I cut my crease by just cleaning the line underneath the brown with the GLF Cosmetics flat end of the brush. After cutting my crease, I go back into the eyeshadow number 4 palette for the green shimmer. I take that with the flat end of the brush and apply straight onto my lid. For the remainder of the lid, I'm going back into the number 4 palette for the gold shimmer right in the center of it. And I apply that with a finger because when I did use the brush, I feel like it didn't show its true potential. So I do feel like you should apply that middle shadow with your finger for the most intense payoff. For my inner corner highlights, I'm going to use the JH42 brush and I'm going to dip into the number 5 eyeshadow palette for the champagne gold shimmer. Using the same palette, I use this kind of bronze highlighter and I put that for my brow bone highlight. It is ridiculously pigmented, you guys, so I highly suggest going in little bits at a time. Moving down to the lower lash line, I go back in with the number 4 palette for this shimmer right here. It's like a chocolate slightly burgundy brown shimmer. It's just so rich in color. Underneath that, using the same brush, I go back in with the olive green, ever so lightly just blending it out, going back and forth. Next, I go back in with the number 5 palette for the waterline. I just take this brown matte and I apply it to my waterline ever so lightly, going back and forth. Next, I go ahead and I use their Immortal eyeliner pen. They sent me this, so I was really excited to try this out. I've had this makeup on for quite some time and I haven't seen any smudging. Usually for me, the inner corner of my eye smudges because I get teary there and things like that. I see no smudging whatsoever. Next, I throw on the Margarita lashes from Glamlight Cosmetics in Presidente and I put on some Marc Jacobs mascara. Lastly, I take the Fan Coca-Cola brush, which, yes, I know, I said I'm not a fan of. I didn't do that on purpose. I'm not a fan of the fan brush. Anyway, I just wanted to use it. I can't find my Profusion brush. And I brushed it across my cheek. It is a very nice subtle glow. You can build this glow up. If you apply it with your finger, it's going to be like bam. Or if you wet the brush, it's going to be even more intense. It really just depends on the intensity that you want. And that's it, you guys. That is the look that I created with both of the palettes from the OMFG Cosmetics. I will be launching once again on September 1st, which is tomorrow. She's also going to be launching other palettes as well. This is just number 4, number 5. There is a number 1, 2, and 3. The bronzer palettes, these also will be launching on the 1st. The eyeliner pen and the handheld UV disinfection lamp is currently available on their site. She also sent me a mask, you guys. Look how cute this is. The fabric too is just ever so soft. I love that. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this tomorrow for work. I'm gonna snap some pictures and put it on my Instagram. Alright guys, well that is a wrap. That is everything that I recently received from OMFG Cosmetics. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below as always. And of course, remember the rules for the 5K giveaway are super simple. Just be subscribed to my channel, like this video, comment down below where you're from and how I can reach you in case you win. And then you have 9 extra bonus entries, which are super easy too. The next 5 videos will have bonus entries headed in the video, and then you can follow me on my other social platforms for an additional 10 altogether. Good luck to everybody. I wish I could give more. If I could, I totally would. You guys completely and 100% deserve it. I hope you guys are all staying safe. Love you all so much, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.